Tiwala pa rin ang Malacanang na maisa sa batas sa itinakdang target ng pamahalaan ang isinusulong na Bangsamoro Basic Law. Ayon kay Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process, Ging Deles, inaasahang maisusumite na ang final draft nito sa lalong madaling panahon. Narito ang ulat ni Rocky Ignacio.
Nasa pinal na stage na ang presidential review sa Bangsamoro Basic Law kung saan inaasahan na may susumite sa Kongreso bago magtungo si Pangulo Aquino sa Europa at Estados Unidos sa susunod na linggo. Ayon kay Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process, Teresita Deles, patapos na ang draft ng mungkahing panukalang batas kung saan sesertipikahan bilang urgent ni Pangulo Aquino.
According to Secretary Teresita Deles, Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process, and I quote, Presidential review of the draft Bangsamoro Basic Law was completed almost 2 weeks ago. On the basis of the President's comments, there were further discussion and exchange of notes between the MILF and the Office of the President, the results of which were also submitted to the President. The draft Bangsamoro Basic Law is now undergoing the final stages of refinement by the estimate of the MILF panel and Bangsamoro Transition Commission Chair Mohaguer Iqbal. The draft bill is now, quote, 99.99% done, unquote. It is expected to be submitted to Congress before the President leaves for Europe.
Kasunod nito, tiwala pa rin ang Malacanang na maisa sa batas ito na naaayon sa itinakdang target ng implementasyon ng pamahalaan kapag naipasa bubuo na ng Bangsamoro Transitional Authority para sa isinusulong na pagkakaroon ng bagong political entity kapalit ng autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao.
Nananatili pa rin yun with the sense of urgency and the high priority given by the President and continued assurances from the leaders of Congress of their full support for this priority measure.
Ang pagbuo ng bagong political entity ay nakapaloob sa Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro na pinagtibay ng pamahalaan at MILF sa pagtamo ng tunay na kaayusan at kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.